It's important to look into the world and see what's going on out there, not to get caught up in ourselves so much, isolated and secluded, caught up in things that don't mean anything, be it in real life or online. You know, it's important to move with a purpose, because if not, then it's easy to get lost. Get lost in who we think we are, get lost in how we think we should be treated, you know? Yeah. I mean, it's so easy to just be focused on nothing. I mean, it's sickening, as crazy as it seems. You know, it may seem like you're doing the right things. It may seem like things are going the way that they're supposed to. But then our choices and our thoughts and our actions, basically dictate the type of life that we're going to have. I mean, we can't control everything. We live in a world full of crazy people, they ain't living right, ain't doing what they supposed to do. And we're not always doing what we're supposed to do and living right. But it's important to move with a purpose, to find a purpose, to find something worth, living for, something upbuilding, something, that's edifying, something that's uplifting the people, nothing that's going to hurt somebody. I mean, we make mistakes. Things happen, sometimes we do things on purpose and we don't know. We learn, we grow, but it's just important to know what you stand for, to understand who you are, know your self-worth, know your identity, what you mean to this world, what you mean to your life, to your family, to your religion, to your community, be it you gay, you straight, black, white, green, brown, whoever you are. Know what you mean to this life, know your choices, understand your choices and the effect that they have on other people, know the impact that you have to your world, try not to get caught up in just the facades, the personalities or the gossips or the rumors or, the things that are only taken away from positive experiences. Everybody's not going to get along. Everybody ain't going to be friends. Everybody ain't going to see eye to eye. But as I've been taught, as it's been written, live peaceably as much as you can. Because the reality is things within ourselves that we need to work on from day to day. You can't worry about everybody else and what they're doing. As tempting as it may seem. Sometimes you just gotta let certain things go, live your life, and be the best person that you can be. Live with a purpose. That's how I end this. Live with purpose. Something worth living for, something worth being, something when you look in the mirror, you say, wow, this is me. Purpose.